Hey guys, hello beautiful people, welcome back to the Digital Mom YouTube channel. If you're new here, this is a channel where we talk about anything that is related to how we could build our wealth, our community as beginners, as moms through remote jobs, work strategies, social media income, professional growth from home, and everything in between. And today, I need to tell you something that might hurt a little bit, but it's the bare truth that we are living in this digital economy. The thing is none other than telling you to stop applying blindly. Stop applying blindly. If you have been sending like 50 applications and getting zero responses, really? This video is for you. I know that it feels like hurting when you've been sending your applications everywhere that you see opportunity knocking, but at the end of the day, you don't see anyone responding to you or just asking to sit with you for an interview. You feel like, damn. I'm going to tell you that it's not that you're unlucky, it's not that you are cursed, you were just not positioned correctly. Yes, it is true what you heard. You were just not positioned correctly. And today I'm going to show you how you could fix that. Okay? Stay with me, watch the video until the end. Subscribe, tell a friend that something is going on like here on the Digital Mom. Let us share something in this economy that could help us push our wealth as beginners, as moms, as people who want to build career just from the comfort of our homes. So let's dive in the topic. What's really the problem? If I say that the problem is not that you're unlucky or you're cursed, it's that you're not positioned correctly. Let me be honest with you. Most people apply like this. And when I see this kind of application, it feels like triggers me. Most people apply like this. They send same CV everywhere. You could find someone who has built a CV in 2023, and that CV of 2023 is the same CV that she or he is sending to every other opportunity that is coming around. Just the same CV of 2023, and we're in 2026. And that is not true. And most people saying the same applies to motivation letter. You find a person who has constructed a motivation letter when she was a receptionist in 2022, and now she has been to the first frontier of the desk, and she's still apply using the same motivation letter that she or he has built while she was a receptionist in 2022. That is a mistake. That is a jungle that you're bringing in within your application. They have no strategy. They know to position themselves, okay? Then they start blaming remote job by saying that remote jobs are fake, online work is impossible. They don't reply. You start blaming those people who have put their opportunities on online platforms saying that these are scammers, they do not reply. Remote jobs are fake. No, the problem is not that they are fake or they are scammers or they don't reply or it is impossible. The problem is that there is no positioning. And in 2026, if you don't position yourself in the digital industry, you're left behind. You're left behind. In 2026, remote work is competitive. It's not impossible. It is possible but competitive. So it's you to rock in and tighten the belt so that you can win the competition. Okay, companies are not just looking that I need a job, they are looking what I can solve for your problem. If you go there, you position for yourself as someone who is just sucking for the job, who is looking and eagering for the job but not bringing in a value. I'm telling you, no one is going to look on your CV, on your papers. No one. But if your CV is showing that you can solve some problem, why are they not going to come to you? They are going to come, of course. They are going to come. They are going to see what you can help them solve. Okay? So if your CV says I'm hardworking, that is not positioning. No one is here who is lazy. Everyone online is hardworking. What we want to see is what you're bringing in, what the value that you're adding to us. Okay? That is not positioning. But if you say I help, maybe let's have an example that Your CV says that I help increase engagement by 40% by content strategy. That is the value you are bringing in. Now we can see the clear image of the value that you are bringing in the company, okay? So think collectively how you position yourself. It's not about putting on motivation words, but it's saying the real thing that you have done that I could see and feel like this I need it, okay? So, what is positioning really means? Positioning means you are clear about what you do. You should be clear in your saying, in your writings, in your documents. You should be clear of what you do. So, position first say that you are clear of what you really do. You are clear about who you help. You're not here just to help everyone. You find yourself in nursing industry, in trading industry, in sports industry, in every industry you feel like you are fitting in. Really? You are not. You should be sure of who you help, okay? And you should be clear about the results that you bring. For example, if you say I am looking for any remote job, no one is going to target you, because people who post jobs online, they have the target person. They are targeting for the person who could solve the real problem that they are facing. But if you come and say that I'm looking for any remote job, how am I going to be sure that mine you can solve? I'm not going to take my time over you. But if you say maybe I help small businesses manage their email and reduce response time, the person who has that same issue that you've mentioned is going to come to you, is going to look on you, is going to consider you. If you say I can do social media, what are you doing with social media? No one is going to look on your papers. You can do social media, like how? But if you say I help brands grow their Instagram using content planning and engagement strategy, the person exactly who wants someone to help him or her to grow the Instagram by posting on content is going to come exactly to you. So think twice while you position yourself. There is the difference. See the difference. One sounds like disparate, the other one sounds like valuable. Like if you say I can do social media, that is disparate. Social media is something large. What exactly can you do with social media? But if you say that you could help someone to grow a brand, that is variable. You're adding in a value of growing a brand. So as a person who is following the digital model, you should not be disparate. You have to build the authority, okay? Let me share you some steps that I have used to build myself, to position myself for a remote job, so that maybe you can pick one or two you can go with and help you too. Number one, I try to pick a core skill. I always say that you cannot know everything, but you can stick on one thing and be a pro in it, if I could say. Stop saying I can do everything, because you are not a machine. Even a robot work according to the commands. You cannot do everything. Choose one main direction. It will be virtual assistants. It will be social media management. It might be CV or motivational related lighting. It will be content creation. It will be email engagement. Whatever. The clarity attracts opportunity. Let me tell you this. If you're not clear of what you can do, no one is going to come to you. So first, be clear of what you want to do in this online industry. Number two, fix your CV for remote work. Your CV must show the results. It must show tools that you know and online experience that you have. Don't hesitate to add that you have Zoom experience. You have Google Workspace, Canva, ChatGPT, Trello, and all those tools. You might think that they are simple, but they mean a big thing to the person who is looking for someone to help online. Even if you've learned them online, remote employers want proof you can work digitally. What they want to see is that, is this person really able to work digitally? So don't hesitate to put them. Then customize every application. Yes, it takes time. Yes, it is annoying, but it works. It works really. So before applying, study the company, read their tone, use their language in your motivation letter, okay? If they say we need someone proactive, write that you are proactive, my dear. Like that I am proactive and I initiate by ABCD, okay? Speak their language. Try to learn how to copy people and try to speak their language. If people speak the same language, communication is so easier and fluent. And I know that if you are in a crowd of people who speak many different languages, I am very sure that you could be to the person whom you speak the same language more than you could like to approach the person who speaks the other language. So try to speak the company's language, okay? Then Number four, optimize your LinkedIn. My dear friends, if you don't have a LinkedIn in 2026, you are invisible. You are, believe it or not, but you are invisible. Your headline should not say that I am unemployed on LinkedIn. No, it should say what you could help people. It could say virtual assistant, helping entrepreneurs stay organized, and other things like that, but not unemployed. Okay? Remember that your profile is your online CV. We cannot think of you if we don't see your profile. Then build small proofs. No experience, create it. If you don't have experience, try to create the experience by offering free work for one or two clients, manage your church page, help a friend's business. I mean, try to volunteer somewhere so that you could gain experience. For example, you could say that maybe your dad or mom or your friend has a business. Go and volunteer in your person's business so that you could get experience to come and trade on this online industry. Okay, then say maybe I have helped a small business page. I have helped my church page. I have worked with my parents in their business, those things. So remember that proof builds confidence. If there is proof, we are going to be confident in what you are saying. But if there is no proof, we'll be doubting. Confidence builds income. Okay, if you have those proofs, I know that you are going to be confident. And the other thing that you might need, it is you to shift your mindset. Let me talk as a mom this time. Sometimes we apply for a place of fear. From a place of fear, bills are there, pressure, family expectation, children, education, profession. I mean, everything is coming in on our head, and we feel like we are applying from the place of fear. But desperation energy shows in your application. I am telling you, if you are desperate as a person, as a mom especially, your desperation is going to be shown in your application. First, shift from I need this job and try to be in this line of saying they need what I can offer. If you go like you are offering them a service, they are not going to be desperate. Okay, stop begging. You are not begging, you are bringing in a value. If you stop being desperate, it shows that you're not here because you lose any other place to go, but you're here to bringing in a value. That confidence, it changes everything. It's a trickle. It changes everything, almost everything. So as we come to that conclusion, I want to tell you that remote work is not magic, it is strategy. Stop chasing everything, stop positioning incorrectly, I say, and start positioning yourself correctly. And I promise you, even if you apply a fewer jobs, you will get more responses because now you are not noise, but you have focus. You are bringing in solution. I mean, you are a solution. So if this video has helped you, in the comment section, say that I am positioning myself. We need people who are positioned in 2026. In the next video, I will show you how you could structure a high converting remote CV step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with someone who is applying blindly. Please let us help each other. This is the Digital Mom, and we don't just work from home. We work smartly from home. Until next time, with love from the Digital Mom. Bye.